one bun is bigger. This one is smaller. This one's bigger. We'll just go ignore that for now. Hey guys, it's J Hart and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, you guys, I am going to be reviewing a Korean owned brand, and the name is ゚Sex, New York. If you haven't heard of ゚Sex, they're in Ulta, they're in Walmart, they're in Walgreens, they're in abundance of different places and drugstores throughout the United States. They're also a part of AFFILIATION. They work with a lot of people. Like, they have a whole list online on their website. So yeah, if you guys were interested in this K-beauty brand or think about reviewing it or anything like that, then just keep on watching. But before we keep on watching, you guys, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and join the royal flush, the royal family, the royal court girl. Don't forget to hit the bell notification button right after that to be notified for my future videos. And also, if you guys are enjoying yourself and you guys are enjoying me, or if you guys heard about ゚Sex and you guys enjoy ゚Sex, then give this video a big thumbs up. And with that being said, y'all, let's just get into this video.
Baby, you better use it. Use your imagination.
So I reached out to ゚Sex, you know, because I met them back when I went to not but BeautyCon, and I met the PR person there, and she was so sweet, so nice, so kind, and yeah, like, you know, I feel like a lot of people there didn't really recognize ゚Sex, but I did because I use their rose water mist. Y'all know I've been talking about this rose water mist for almost years, and so a rose water mist. If y'all have been watching my channel, I think in my last 2 videos, I think I've used this mist. Literally, they have a cucumber one, and they have, like, I love everything rose water. I have this Milani rose oil, like anything with rose in it, like I love, like my skin just loves. But yeah, so this is really good. It's really good for like giving your skin like a little moisture if you guys need it. It can give you a little refresher like throughout the day, anything like that. They also have a cucumber one. You know, some people love cucumber as well, but I love rose water, and it's really good, and it's really good for your skin. I use it almost every single day. Even after I take off my makeup, I use it. So I need to actually buy another one because I'm getting pretty low. ゚Sex New York Revitalizing Rose Mist, which looks something like this. And it was like $6.98, I think. And it's like so much in here. And it's like something just to refresh your skin and prep it for the makeup. So yeah, so I was talking about this, and I was you know, I brought up their unicorn sleeping glow mask as well to the PR person too, and like she was kind of like shocked because I guess, like I said, I don't think a lot of people have even, you know, people recognize the brand, I'm gonna say, but I sure as hell did. I was like, you guys are ゚Sex. I'm like, you guys are found in Walmart. She's like, yes. Oh my God, yes we are. I'm like, I love your revitalizing rose water mist, which is this. And she was like, oh my God. And I was like, I also love your unicorn sleeping glow mask. So sweet, so kind. And she gave me a big PR box of their newest launch back then, which is like the citrus launch. I think it was like their citrus launch. Correct me if I'm wrong. But and I lost that in the mail. So yeah, so I reached back out to them because, you know, I previously lost the citrus line. I was going to review that line, and I reached back out to them, and they, you know, they sent me their lemon squeeze line, and they asked me, you know, which one, because around this time they released 2 other skincare lines, which is like their hemp, like, you know, marijuana line, you know, skincare, and then their lemon, and I asked for the lemon one, and they sent it to me. So while I'm applying these products, I'm also going to be talking about them in my experience. I've been using these products for maybe a month, so I can actually give you guys a correct skincare review. But I'm going to be applying these products as well to my face. So I'm going to be applying these products too with like, you know, other products as well, but I'm just mainly going to be focusing on the ゚Sex products. So let me pull out all my other products. And I'm also going to be trying the eye patches that came with the lemon collection. And I never actually got a chance to try these. I don't know if y'all can see that. But yeah, I never got a chance to try these. I'm going to be trying these in the video as well. Okay guys, first I want to talk about the Squeeze Lemon Cleansing Foam and also the Squeeze Lemon Scrub. So, first I'm going to go in with the foam, talk about the foam. So here's a clip of me actually using the cleansing foam. It's a foam. It lathers really, really good. It cleans my skin really good. It is kind of drying. Now, you know, a lot of people don't really like drying products or drying moisturizers. I mean drying cleansers, but I really love drying cleansers. Like, you know, it makes my skin feel dry and squeaky clean, and then I go in with my skin care and my skin just is back to normal, back to the way I love it. So this cleans and lathers my skin really, really well. Smells like lemons, just like this whole line. Smells so good. You get 5.7 fluid ounces, which is a lot. Okay, that's a lot of product, and I really, really love this cleanser. It's so good. So like I usually use this like maybe a day when I'm not using my other Korean product that I'm using on my skin. I'm going to do a video about that whole like by itself separately, but on days where I'm not shaving, I would use this product, and I really, really love it. Then I'm going to talk about the lemon scrub. Y'all, you know how, like, you know, most people when they hear scrub, they think of the St. Ives apricot scrub, which something so rough like that. It's nothing like that. There are literally tiny beads in here. There aren't as many you know, beads in here as much as the apricot scrub from St. Ives. That's like really I can compare it to, because that's like the only thing like scrub wise I have used. So but the scrub is really not bad. It's very soft, very like, you know, I use it mostly in my T-zone and like my forehead. So the scrub is really like, the beads aren't even like that. Like the beads are fairly small, and I don't even know what the beads are made of. So I really don't know what the beads are made of, but they aren't harsh at all. I usually like a harsh scrub, exfoliant scrub, but I'm trying to steer clear because I heard that the long-term effects of them, but it's pretty good. It's really good. It's a really good scrub. Like, you know, that's all I can really say about this product. The first thing I'm going to apply is their toner, which is their Squeeze Lemon Toner Mist. Y'all. And like I was doing, I love this stuff. It smells so good and it feels so refreshing on your skin, and I really love it. I use two toners. I use this is the second toner that I use, and it is really replenishing and refreshing, just like it says on here, and it's really good. You can spray this on your face throughout the whole day. If you guys want to, like, you know, just a quick refresher or anything like that, it really does a good job, and it balances your skin really good, and I really like it. So I'm just going to be applying some random serums to my face before I get to the ゚Sex serum that came with the collection. So give me a moment. So yeah, y'all, my past PR package of the citrus line got lost in the mail, and it's still lost in the mail. I still have no idea where it is, and you know what? I'm perfectly fine with that. It probably just was not meant to be. So yeah, y'all, can we talk, my last Korean video that I did that reached over 25,000 views to this day. Like, what the hell? I did not even expect that to even go like that. I did not even expect What the fuck, my phone on silent? I did not expect that to even go like that, which is really, really crazy. And it just blew up out of nowhere. I never have a shirt on, really. I don't know why, but yeah. Cute. So I'm going to take their squeezed lemon serum, which is it's like hydrating and replenishing. Let me see. I have about this much left in the bottle, and I've had it for like a month. So I use like a lot of squirts of it. So most people would have used one, but I'll use a lot because I have a big ass face, and my skin loves hydration. It loves everything like that. And this is like, look at that. Look what that just did. Like, this is so cute. I really love it. It's so good, y'all. It just makes your skin feel so good as well. And the honest thing about this, if you do shave your face like I do, because I'm a man in makeup, so I had to shave my face. And this, like, you know, the whole lemon line, of course, is lemon, so it will give you a slight little sting, but it's nothing bad. Like, you know, overbearing where it's like, oh, I gotta take this off. It literally, like, it stings a little bit. It's lemon, so what do you expect? And then it goes right away. So, and I know for those of you guys that have been asking for a skincare video, it is coming really, really soon. I don't know when I'm going to record that video, but it's not coming this week. So maybe next week, we'll have to see. I don't know yet. Yeah. My skin has been freaking out over here and over here a little bit, because I used a razor. I was supposed to change my razor, and I didn't realize it was time. So make sure y'all change your razors. Yeah, so I shave maybe twice a week. So I change my razors maybe every 2 or 3 weeks. Like, when it goes extend that time, I start to break out, you know, in razor bumps. Not razor bumps. Yeah, razor bumps. Because of that reason. That's exactly what happened over here. And I didn't have any tea tree oil to treat it, so my skin is going through the gigs. Okay? My skin, I don't know what has been going on with it, but I don't know, it could be better. I'm not gonna lie. It could be better. So this is just the eye balm that I'm just placing all over my eye for an upcoming video soon, maybe in another 3 weeks. This will be a part of another skincare review. So just keep look out for that, you guys. So far, it hasn't been bad. So now I'm going to go in with the squeezed lemon moisturizer. I ran out of this. I'm not gonna lie. I ran out of this stuff. It's literally squeezed to the T. Like, all of it is out. And this is all I could get out of it. And I'm just gonna... I love this moisturizer. It has been so good to me. And which is kind of crazy because I really like a thicker moisturizer usually. But this one has been really good to me. I'm not gonna lie. I love a thicker moisturizer, if y'all don't know. And usually, which is crazy, a lot of people say thicker moisturizers are for, you know, nighttime. But I love a thicker moisturizer throughout the day because it just makes your skin look so good. And I get a lot of compliments when I wear it, when I wear this too, which is amazing because a lot of people have been saying they love my skin lately with this on it. And I really love this product too. This line is pretty good. It's not I think this is the final step of the line, which is the moisturizer. But I'm going to add the eye patches on. I have the moisturizers on and serums and different stuff like that, and eye balms. I'm going to apply the eye patches. If I can get it open, because my hands they have moisturizer on them, so. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to review. I'm about to go clean up a little bit, and I'll be back in 15 or 20 minutes. Okay, guys, so I just got done with the eye patches. They were pretty good. They were pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. It was like, you know, like a tingling sensation, which kind of made me secure and made me feel like it actually was working. So, moving on. Next, I like to, it's not a part of this collection, but I like to go in with the ゚Sex Revitalizing Rose Mist. Whew. It literally just, oh my god. I usually spray this like in mornings when I do a real deep in-depth night skincare routine. My skin would be so moisturized. When I would get up in the morning, all I would have to do is spray my face with that, and it kind of reactivates all the leftover product that is on my skin, and just makes my skin feel so really good. Wait, hold on, y'all. I really forgot something. I'll be right back. So the last thing, usually before I added on these extra things to my skincare, I would go in with the Unicorn Glow Sleeping Mask. Let me see if y'all can see that. The packaging is so pretty. Look at that. And it is really good. It goes on clear, and it brightens and rejuvenates, and I really say my skin really feels so moisturized. And you're supposed to wash it off in the morning, so you're supposed to put it on at night. It's clear, and then you wash it off in the morning, and your skin just looks really, really good. So yeah, guys, that concludes today's video on the Korean skincare brand ゚Sex New York. If you guys like this video, give this video a big thumbs up, and do not forget to hit that subscribe button right before you leave. And with that being said, y'all, I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, guys.